In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a video clip using DaVinci Resolve. This is a great skill to have in your editing toolkit, as reversing footage can add unique effects to your projects or simply bring a creative twist to your storytelling. We'll walk through each step to ensure you feel confident in applying this technique to your own videos. Let's start by opening DaVinci Resolve. Once you have the application up and running, you'll need to bring in the video materials you plan to work with. Locate your clips and import them into the media pool. With everything ready, you'll want to switch over to edit mode. To do this, just click on Edit in the toolbar. This is where most of your video editing tasks will occur. Now that we're in the edit mode, our next move is to drag the video you wish to reverse onto the timeline. The timeline is where you'll assemble the different parts of your video project, so getting familiar with it will be advantageous for any editing endeavors. Simply click and drag your video clip from the media pool and release it onto the timeline to get started. With the clip placed on the timeline, look for the specific video segment you want to reverse. Once you're sure of your selection, proceed by right-clicking on the video clip. This action will bring up a context menu full of options related to editing your clip. Here, find and select the option to Change Clip Speed. This is a powerful tool that allows you to adjust the timing of your clip in various ways. Within the Change Clip Speed menu, you'll see several choices on how to alter your video's playback speed. The key feature we're interested in is the Reverse Speed option. You'll notice a small checkbox next to this option. Checking the box will enable the reverse function for your selected clip. After you've checked the Reverse Speed box, click the Change button to apply these settings to your clip. DaVinci Resolve will take care of the magic behind the scenes, manipulating your video to play backward from its original direction. Having completed these steps, it's time to see your work in action. Simply hit the play button to preview the results on your timeline. Watching the clip will confirm that your video is now playing in reverse. This is a great moment to assess the effect, ensuring it meets your creative vision or project requirements. Reversing a clip like this can unveil new perspectives and add unexpected depth to your storytelling. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to reversing video clips in DaVinci Resolve. This technique can be a playful addition to any project, allowing you to explore new creative possibilities.